Hello everyone, my name is Robert Marzullo and welcome to my course on using Procreate like a pro. In the first section, you're going to see things like how to use advanced gesture controls, the selection tools, all the basic features, but you're going to see it on a hands-on approach so that you're aware of exactly how to manipulate the touch-sensitive controls and how to utilize the iPad. I'm using an iPad Pro, but you're welcome to use whatever device you want that supports it. Any iPad is fine. So this will give you a hands-on approach to understand how to actually utilize this app and how to get the best out of it to get to your art process. Then in the next section, we're going to implement everything that we've learned, and we're going to do it in a screencast. So you're still going to see all the layers, all the brushes. I'm going to explain everything step by step. But the neat thing about this is we're going to implement what we've learned thus far, and you're going to create a character with me. So you can create the same character I'm creating from sketch to finished paints, or you can create your own character. You're also welcome to share that character in the Q&A section, and I'll be happy to give my feedback to you and let you know which ways you might have taken it and things like that and how to improve on certain areas. But this should be a fun and informative way for you to not only learn this amazing app, but again, put it into effect, utilize what you've learned, commit it to memory. So I'm excited to be teaching you this course. I hope you're excited to learn it. Let's get started.